Well, yeah, you can see differences right there from 41 and a half to 41 and 7 in less than 3-4 feet. So we're gonna probably have to perform a set leveling concrete application on the floor to try to keep it as flat as possible. So we're gonna probably walk in that way. All, as you can see, very well sealed. Also, try keep an eye on keeping that kind of a watertight seal, because the product that you're gonna use to set level in this case is very liquid. So if you have a bunch of open spacers where that product can leak out of your space, you probably ended up wasting or having the wrong results. When the floor is dry, it may be off level again because it drained out from one of those corners of holes. So make sure it's as sealed as possible.